So here is another question on linear inequation in one variable. So it is given to solve the following linear inequation. 5x minus 8 by 3 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 7 by 2 with x belonging to the real numbers. And we have to also plot the solution on the number line. So first let us solve the inequation. 5x minus 8 by 3 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 7 by 2. So here, like I said, you can either multiply both sides with the LCM of these denominators, that is 2 or 3, that is in this case 6, or you can simply cross multiply, which will give us the same result. So we'll hit here, will cross multiplication will do that. So 2 multiplied with 5x minus 8 greater than equal to 3 multiplied with 4x minus 7. That implies 10x minus 16 is greater than or equal to 12x minus 21. So here that implies, here we'll take this 10x to the RHS, it will become minus, and we'll take this minus 21 to the LHS, it will become plus. Implies 21 minus 16 is greater than or equal to 12x minus 10x. That implies 5 is greater than or equal to 2x, or 2x is lesser than or equal to 5. Okay, simply we have changed it, very simple. Something which is greater than or equal to something, when we change the position, it becomes lesser than. So we divide both sides by the same positive number by 2 by 2. That implies x is lesser than or equal to 5 by 2, or x is lesser than or equal to 2.5. This is the solution. Now we have to figure out the solutions which satisfy this criteria and are also belonging to the replacement set of real numbers. So here we have to, as real numbers are involved, we have to write it in this way, the solution set. So the solution set, we'll write it as, that is x with the following conditions: x lesser than or equal to 5 by 2 and x belonging to the set of real numbers. And if we want to plot it on the number line, here every decimal fractional point between the numbers, that will also come into play. So let's say this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. So 2.5. So 2.5 is here. Okay, 5 by 2 or 2.5, this. So to the left of 2.5, everything comes in the solution. So we will highlight it with the help of a solid line. Okay, from 2.5 we'll draw a solid line here. Okay, like this, and 2.5 we'll highlight it with a solid darkened circle, filled in circle. So lesser than or equal to 5 by 2. So this, for this equal to sign, we are highlighting it with a darkened circle. If it would have been only lesser than, then we would have used a hollow circle. As lesser than or equal to, okay, the equal to sign is also present, lesser than or equal to, that's why we have put a darkened circle. Okay, We have discussed it in the rules also, how to plot solutions on the number line. So everything to the left of 2.5 on the number line, that is part of the solution. So here we have expressed it with the help of this solid line connecting from every point from the left of 2.5 on the number line, okay, to the left hand side. So this is the solution of the given inequation, and we have also plotted on the number line. So it goes on and on and on. So here is another question on linear inequations in one variable. So we have to solve the given inequation, which is 50 minus 3 into 2x minus 5 is lesser than 25, with x belonging to the set of whole numbers, the replacement set, and we have to plot the solution on the number line. Okay, so here first let us solve the given inequation, which is 50 minus 3 into 2x minus 5 is lesser than 25. So that implies 50 minus 6x plus 15, minus 3 into 2x, that is minus 6x, we have opened the bracket, and minus 3 into minus 5, that is plus 15, okay, lesser than 25. That implies here minus 6x plus 65 is lesser than 25. So now what we'll do, we'll take this minus 6x, take it to the RHS, it will become plus 6x, and this 25 will take it to the LHS, it will become minus 25. So we have, that implies 65 minus 25 is lesser than 6x. So here the sign of inequality will not change, it will stay the same, because we are just taking terms from the LHS to the RHS, and the sign of that term will change. Okay, then we have that implies 40 is lesser than 6x, or we can write it as 6x is greater than 40. So that implies if we divide both sides by the same positive number, that is 6, we have x is greater than 40 by 6, or we have 40 by 6, we can write it as 20 by 3. So x is greater than 6.667, or we can write it as in this form, mixed fraction form, 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the solution of the given inequation. Now here the choice, the replacement set, it is the set of whole numbers. Okay, it is the set of whole numbers. So here if we have to plot it on the number line, okay, so let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Okay, so here we have these distinct whole numbers and we have to pick from that. So here x is greater than 6.67, so decimal or fractional values are not allowed. So the obvious choice which is greater than this from this replacement set is starting from 7. Okay, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So these are the solutions. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. This is the solution. Okay, replacement set is the set of whole numbers. So the solution set will be equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on, like that. It will go on and on and on. Okay, so this is the thing.